Tootle is an old but useful engine who works on an old railway in another place. He still pulls well, and he has his own caboose called Katy. He pulls very well and is never tired. Although he is getting old, he still remains young. One morning, he had finished all his work and he returned to the station on his branch line. Some people were there. It was, of course, Sir Topham Hatt and his family, but Tootle didn't know this yet. "Hey, grandfather, who's that?" "It's a tender engine, American." "Is it old?" "Shh, shh, don't offend him." "But they are old, aren't they?" "Of course, Bridget, but this one is special. Can we go in it?" "Stop," said Sir Topham Hatt. They all scrambled into Katy. "Hip, hip, hooray!" shouted Katy. She was happy she was full of passengers, but Tootle didn't sing. "Old? Me? Never!" He was very hurt, but nevertheless he continued to puff on. He was still proud to be a steam engine of the railway he worked on. Later, Sir Topham Hatt stepped out. "What's your name?" he asked. "Tootle, sir." "Thank you, Tootle." "No, thank you for a splendid ride." Soon Tootle went back to work, and sometimes, whenever a day came, the kids and the grandparents riled in him. But when the day came when they had to go, he was sad. "Come back soon, we will," cried the children and Lady Hatt, and they watched till Tootle puffed out of sight. Same with Katy, the caboose. "Goodbye," they said. The months passed. Tootle had fewer trains and fewer passengers. "Our last day, Tootle," said his driver one morning. "The manager says we must close down tomorrow." "Oh, what sadness." But the next day, Tootle was able to pull his last train. The passengers joked and sang, but Tootle, Katy, and the driver wished they hadn't done it. "Goodbye, Tootle. We are sorry your line is closing," said the passengers. "So am I," said Tootle sadly as he puffed to his siding. A small tear came out of poor Tootle's eye. "Nobody wants me," he said sadly. "They think I'm old. Maybe Bridget Hatt was right. Maybe I'm useless." And he went unhappily to sleep once the night crickets had stopped singing. But the very next morning, his driver flung himself up. "Wake up, Tootle! There's great news from Sir Topham Hatt. Maybe it's for us."